If you love unique textured fabric for your mixed media projects, keep watching. This Ivory and Cream 5-piece fabric bundle of 8 by 10-inch cuts gives you a textured jackpot. It includes a raw silk fabric. This is an ivory color. It is a lighter weight. Here's a close-up. Look at the texture of that. Love that texture. It's the same on the back. Then we have a contrasting type of texture here, which is a basket weave. This is a cotton linen blend. Look at that texture. Get a close-up of that. Okay. It's not too thick. It's the back. And look how it plays off of this texture. This is in a cream, kind of a cream color. This is an ivory. So look at those two textures together. If you're looking to build up your neutral basis, this would definitely be a good bundle. Okay, our next piece. Now this is a 1950s era cotton lace. Now this is very different. I haven't seen one like this. Look at that pattern. Isn't that different? Isn't that unique? Okay. And this is in kind of an off-white color. It's the back. That's how it's, okay. But this is a face. And let's put that with our other two fabrics so we can see how that's looking. Okay, so that's the three so far. Really nice bundle of neutral colors here, or just ivory colors. Okay, our next piece. Now this is really nice. This is a cotton linen base blend background, but the embroidery is kind of a tannish taupe color. Look at that. Isn't that different? Get a better angle of that. There, you can see it. Look at that. That's the back. And let's put that with our bundle. This is what we have so far. Look at all those pieces, all those different. Now these are some very unique textures, some of these. Okay, and our last piece, this is a Dobie weave. This is in a like a off-white color, kind of an ivory off-white color, and there's a texture of that. Okay. And this is the back. It's a knit stabilizing fabric that's attached to the back. And this is a softer fabric. And let's put all these together so we can see what we have. Now this would be a great bundle if you're just trying to build up your resources. Look at all those textures. And these are waiting for your next project. If you like this bundle, the link is in the description below.